A common question a lot of my clients ask me is, should I use ice or heat? And it depends on the circumstance. If you're just a little bit sore, pick whichever one you prefer, ice or heat. That being said, if you're experiencing pain, the general rule of thumb is to use ice. Because ice, where there's pain, there's going to be inflammation, and ice is going to help to calm down that inflammation. That being said, if heat feels good, you can put heat on, but then I would follow it up with ice. The heat's going to be soothing and relaxing, but it's also going to excite that inflammation. And so we follow it up with ice, and that'll help calm down the inflammation. And we can actually alternate ice and heat as many times as you like, but you would end with the cold. And the general rule of thumb with each of them, as far as how long you would keep it on, about 10 to 15 minutes. Particularly with the ice, you're just going till it basically feels numb, and then it's done its job, you take the ice off. So that's the general rule of thumb, ice versus heat. Hope that helps. One other quick note there too is, if you like the alternating ice and heat, but you only have time for one, then go with the ice. If you're wondering if Myopractic care is right for you, go ahead and book online by clicking the link in the video description below.